Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on the Collectr app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your currency of your portfolio. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, as you can see, right now my currency is showing in USD. Go ahead and click on Home on the left-hand side. Then on the top right-hand corner, click on the currency icon that says USD. And then this is where you can switch between euros, Canadian dollars, Japanese yen, Korean. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your currency on the Collectr app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.